Hi, I'm Thea Green. I'm the founder of Nails Inc. and Incredible Cosmetics. We are dedicated to creating trend-led beauty to the highest quality at Nails Inc., uncomplicating your makeup bags, uncluttering it with really simple, great looks. At Incredible Cosmetics and Nails Inc., we're 100% cruelty-free. We only test on ourselves and our incredible community. We're also proud to have 100% vegan products. Today, I'm joined by some of our incredible community. Hey girls!
Hi!
Hey there, my name is Chariza. I'm a content creator and a blogger.
Hi, I'm Alice and I'm a makeup blogger.
Hi, I'm Ayesha. I'm a model and content creator.
So guys, I want to introduce you to No Puff Zone. So these are these super cute little under eye hydrogel eye masks packed full with cannabis sativa seed oil. It's got a lovely cooling sensation. You pop them on for about 20 to 30 minutes and you'll have lovely, bright, nourished eyes afterwards. So these are going to reduce all that puffiness, give you that super hydrating feeling. Don't they feel lovely and cool on your skin? Great for festival season as well.
Because I'd need them after a festival, but I'd actually quite wear them at the festival.
So next we're going to talk about one of my favourite products. This is the Incredible Rollerball Crystal Gloss. So pretty and dressing table worthy.
I love a super glossy lip and I actually keep this by my bed and apply it before bed because I find it super nourishing as well.
And because of the rose quartz as well, it's calming and soothing.
Good energy wherever you go.
Good energy, exactly. So they're part of this crystal collection as well. There's 3 to collect in total.
Yeah, I can wear it on its own. I wear it on top of lipstick with a bit of lip liner. Yeah, it goes with everything.
And it just gives you that great glossy singing look, doesn't it? Really, really ultra shiny. So at Nails Inc., one of our hero products are these cute little duos. This duo is inspired by cannabis sativa seed oil. It's called Just Kinda Bliss. First of all, you've got such a relief. This is an amazing shade because it doubles up as a base coat and a moisture treatment. You've then got the fantastic terracotta shade, which is Namaste in Tonight.
So I like wearing Such Relief on its own as a base because it leaves my nails feeling really healthy, or I like to mix it up. And I've got these little tips on at the moment. And red is such a classic shade, but doing something like this is a little bit more modern, I feel. I love it.
So at Incredible Cosmetics, we have these fantastic little pigment pots. I've just applied mine really easily with my fingers. You can build it up. It's really easy just to play with, where it's an eyeliner or where it's a full coverage eye look.
I really, really love the lid sticks actually because they're very versatile. They don't crease and they last all day and they're very easy to apply.
So continuing on with our cannabis sativa seed oil collection, this is Hint of Chill, which is the perfect little lip hydration. So you can use it either as a lip primer or use it to finish off your lip look.
I'll keep one of these in my bag all day just so I'm safe.
So also part of our cannabis sativa seed oil collection is this fantastic little magic lip scrub and jelly balm. Particles in the scrub actually break down and it becomes this fantastic little peachy pink jelly afterwards.
But it changes to like whatever skin tone you have.
Exactly, it reacts to your pH.
Oh my god, it's changing colour.
What?
Well, look at that.
It's like magic.
Have my lips changed?
Yeah, they definitely have.
Yeah.
And it's quite a nice soft pink as well. And it suits all of us and it looks a little bit different.
Thanks for watching, guys. Now time to go and be your incredible selves.